Hey guys, Chris here back from CNH Small Engine. I just want to do a quick first shot video here for my new Aero Precision lower right here. This is the M16A4 lower. I purchased this about a week ago, and I actually sold some of my spare parts I have for one of my Vepras and a couple other AK parts. So I can buy this one right here specifically, and I also bought it with a coupon for like, I think it's like 10 or 15% off too, so it was a pretty good deal. To get this online direct from aeroprecision.com. And I just want to give you a first shot video here of what it looks like. There's the rear stock. This is the rifle length lower made by Aero Precision, and you also have the three trigger settings right here for the actual safety on here. It has burst, semi, and safe mode on it specifically for that. Looks good. I don't see any major issues with it at all. Looks great. No problems with the lower receiver on there, as I can tell, because I picked it up to the FFL here about a couple days back and did not see any kind of issues with it at all. Checked it over real good. The trigger, it has a heavy mil-spec trigger in this one right here, and the trigger is indeed heavy. It feels like it's about like 8 or 9 pounds on it, if you really want to call it that. So what I did was I took the trigger out, and I greased up all the contact pieces with some white lithium grease, and it feels a little bit better, but it's still heavier because it does have the original we don't call hammer the actual hammer spring in there as well too. So we'll go ahead and flip it around here to the other side. Okay, put it down here real quick. Okay, get it to stay up here just right. Okay. It doesn't want to stay up too good here. Okay, there we go. There we go, there's the other side. The stock assembly on there as well too. And it has the logo for Aero Precision on the left hand side right here as well too. You have the safety lever right here, but it only goes into the semi and the safe, so it does not go into the actual burst category right there for that specifically. And you have the we don't call the insignia. It says property of United States right on there. Aero Precision M16A4 caliber 5.56 millimeter right there as well too. So that's what it looks like, guys, for the Aero Precision lower receiver for the M16A4 style rifle. This is like a retro classic lower receiver, you want to call it that. This one does still have the mil-spec trigger in here, which is extremely heavy for the actual pull weight, so it will be swapped out here at a future time and date. So I just want to do a quick quick review. It looks great. No problem with the fitment. Fits nice and tight between the upper and the lower receiver on here. And like I said before, it does have a mil-spec trigger, which is about 7 to 9 pounds of pull weight. And I plan on installing a ALG ACT combat trigger with a purple spring in it as well too, for reference. So that's what it looks like. We'll give you a shot of the actual back compartment right here. There's the back compartment area right there as well too. This thing pops open. This has a little trap door you push down, and it pops open on the back of the butt pad right there as well too, guys. So that's everything about the Aero Precision M16A4 lower. If anybody has any questions, comments, whatnot, feel free to leave me a message here, and I'll try to get back as soon as possible. I'll see you guys. Have a nice day.